What I'm talking about. That's why he's giving me. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
I'm good.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
Daddy give me head. It's one hella party. Nagarata Sadi. Chilling with my chains. Be sipping Mali. And I'm worrying all the money. My thing that I'm a dummy headed piece. I'm in my worry. Give me head. And I'm coming. VVS anytime. Georgie, man. Me, my nigga slime. You know where to find me. Up on the dark side. Doing them gang sign slime. Kill it about 10 times white. Cause I smoked about 10 tights white. You get the fact that I'm high up in the sky. And niggas so fly. My nigga young fees. Well,
what's good, my people? It's your boy, Mr. Mokwena, the boy who, you know, so that's the boy, always been the boy. And I'm back again with another bang, I feel me, I'm back again with another video, guys. So basically, in today's video, as you saw by the thumbnail, read by the title, today we'll be getting guest numbers without saying anything. So to make it a little bit easier, we're just gonna approach the ladies. Yeah, we're just gonna approach the ladies and try to do like some texting or maybe do some sign language. You know what I'm saying? So hey man, if you're new to the channel, please hit that sub button, subscribe, like, comment, do all those good stuff, man, and make sure you click that notification button so that next time I drop, you get it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah man, without any further ado, let's get into the shit.
My name.
What I'm talking about. That's why he's giving me. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT.
But then wait, why are you using sign language? Cause like I can hear you. It's just that it's me who cannot say anything. But you also replying with sign language. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Because like I want you to talk on the mic. Talk on the mic, talk to the mic, whatever it is. But then you are here with me. It's like we're competing now. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck? How? Okay. I'm sorry.
Hambala. Hamba. You know, because I felt sorry for you. Leave.
But then you look so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
No.
I'm good. Thank
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That
Okay, I was playing. Calm. I just wanted to see how you're gonna react, like, cause like a lot of people they do judgmental. So like, what was the first?
How? Betuna? Mtasi, talk to me. Now when I wanna grab my phone and type the same. Nigga, wait. We not on competition. Okay? We not on competition. Just talk, bruh. When I know you wanna type. Why are you typing? Cause like this me typing. Now when I also wanna type. What's going on? You see this paper? Type, it's fine. Just type. You see now I'm saying type. Don't type, man. Talk to me. I'm the one who's typing. At the mumu. Ow. And you can talk. Me at the mumu. Ah.
So far, how's the day going so far?
It's fine.
It's fine. Hey, by the way, my name is Advance. What's your name?
Eh?
By the way, my name is Advance. What's your name? Amor. Oh, what tribe are you? Portuguese. Oh, damn. To be honest, I don't know if like, you mind if like, you just the face mask?
If
just,
what?
You mind if like, you just remove the face mask? Beautiful.
Thank
You have cute eyes, eh? One lie.
Thank you.
Were you writing today?
Yeah.
What were you writing?
I was writing home language.
How was it?
yeah.
You seem like a cool person. I don't know if like you mind if like maybe one day sometime we get to link up, maybe get to know you better. You mind?
It's cool.
It's cool, right? Just get your numbers.
Can you give my IG instead? Because I'll give you my numbers on IG. If that's fine. Amu.
You're not gonna miss me go IG.
What's your IG?
What's my IG? Let's take a picture. Alright, then have a nice one.
Ke sa thekena mabaka ka mo lebabi tiphile matla tshwere bo malas jacket tsena de ka apare thiba phatla ra tsena ditrata re nyaga dilo tshwantse ro phetha mabaka dark side 36